The suitcase, its content, or the description cards can be equipped with a QR code, which when scanned redirects to websites, audio and video files or other media online. The code consists of black and white pixels. QR is short for quick response, as the access to coded information happens fast and directly. For the creation of QR codes, we recommend this free online service, the -QR code-generator.com. It is available in multiple languages. An internet address URL is required for the desired type of media. That means videos must be uploaded to a platform like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or a website. Copy the target's URL, then paste it into the Enter URL field. The QR code is created immediately and displayed on the right side. Right-click on the image to open a menu in which you select Save Image As. After saving the image, it can be printed independently, for example as a sticker, or pasted in documents such as the suitcase content description. Another option is to transform any text into a QR code. Use free text for this. To scan the QR code, there must be a proper scanning app installed on mobile devices like smartphones or tablets. Once you've opened it, you'll be prompted to point the camera at the QR code. It will automatically be recognized and scanned. Some advice on how to handle QR codes combined with copyrighted material. Maybe one wants to link to copyrighted material in one's suitcase via QR codes. For example, movie trailers, music videos and the like. Next up are some recommendations on how to handle this without copyright infringement. It can be assumed that the same rules applying to other online links, for example the ones used in social media, apply to QR codes as well. You should only link to content that is free of charge. For example, publicly accessible videos on YouTube should generally not be a problem. Considering unedited external material, you should take the link directly from the source that had the right to upload said material in the first place. Do not download external material and re-upload it onto your own account. In that case, you'd be distributing a pirated copy, which is not allowed under any circumstances. It is recommended to ask the uploader if he or she owns the rights of the uploaded material before choosing the related links for a QR code. As the Suitcase project is non-commercial, one has a little more freedom. Before using copyrighted material to create a new own piece of work, for example using external music to accompany own footage or scenes from movies, the copyright owner usually must be asked for permission if he or she is okay with editing the protected material. As the Suitcase exhibition will be held in public, copyrighted pieces of music must be licensed, for example by GEMA in Germany. Additionally, the creator of the original material should be credited with a copyright notice. To avoid any legal consequences, we highly recommend using only license-free music. A Creative Commons license enables the free use of otherwise copyrighted material. Have fun creating the QR codes. Let your creativity run free.